Valutrades.
Welcome back, traders. If you like to trade economic news events, you will know that one of the most prevalent market movers is a country's index of industrial production. The data is compiled by a combination of surveys and hard data submitted by thousands of businesses and simply measure the volume of industrial production in the following areas: manufacturing, mining, energy, waste management, water management, and publishing. The index also takes into account the raw materials, energy, and labor used in the production process. The data, as displayed on our economic calendars, is expressed as a percentage change since the last period. Like any news data, if the figure is higher than analysts' predictions, that will be positive for that economy's currency. Of course, if the figure is lower, that will be negative for the economy's currency. Investors and analysts very often use this index as a tool to forecast the gross domestic product of an economy. The United States issues a report called the Fed Industrial Production and is viewed month over month and year over year. The United Kingdom issues the same index monthly. The European Union issues a variety of reports on the indices based on the overall economic zone and on individual countries. Chinese industrial production is measured year over year and takes into account the value as well as the volume of production. All economies release data on the index of industrial production but may not be listed in your economic calendar if analysts do not see it as being market moving. That's all for now. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you soon. CFDs and FX are leveraged products and your capital may be at risk.